Hello and welcome back to another episode of Physics Partner. This is the fourth episode for the series Big Bang to Big Freeze, the complete timeline of the universe. After the light of the cosmic microwave background was released, the universe entered a profound period of darkness. There was no stars, no galaxies, and no quasars to light up the vast expanse of space. The universe was essentially a cold, dark cloud of neutral hydrogen gas, slowly drifting through the void. During these dark ages, the universe's most abundant occupants were invisible to our eyes: dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter is a mysterious form of matter that does not interact with light, yet its gravitational pull is immense, as first inferred by Fritz Zwicky in the 1930s and later confirmed by Vera Rubin's observations of galaxy rotation curves. It had already begun its slow, inexorable work. Like a web of invisible scaffolding, the dark matter pulled on the surroundings hydrogen gas, gradually gathering it into dense clumps. This was gravity at its most fundamental level, slowly sculpting the cosmic web of filaments and voids that defines the larger scale structure of the universe. This period of quiet was incredibly important. Without the existence of this invisible dark matter to act as a gravitational anchor, the universe would have remained a uniform, featureless gas cloud. The Dark Ages were the universe's preparation time, patiently building the hidden framework that would eventually give birth to the first stars and galaxies. For hundreds of millions of years, this cosmic quiet persisted. The gas cooled further and the dark matter clumps grew denser. It is worth noting that the existence of dark matter itself is debated by some physicists. While its gravitational effects are observed, we have never directly detected a dark matter particle. Some scientists have proposed alternative theories like modified Newtonian dynamics, which suggest the gravity behaves differently at very large scales. However, MOND struggles to explain observations of the cosmic microwave background and the large-scale structure, while the dark matter model successfully predicts a wide range of observations. To summarize, here are the three most important physics concepts from today's episode. Point number 1. The Dark Ages were a period of cosmic silence and darkness, with no stars or galaxies. Point number 2. Dark matter's gravity sculpted the cosmic web, creating the dense regions necessary for future star and galaxy formation. Point number 3. Without dark matter to seed the structures, the universe would have remained a uniform, featureless gas cloud forever.
So I think it's enough for today. So thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful for you. So take care of yourself and don't hesitate to write an email if you have any question, query, suggestion, and even classes are required. Take care of yourself meanwhile. See you in the next video. Goodbye.